Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fudge in the microwave. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of chocolate chips, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Also, grab a large microwave-safe bowl and a 9 by 9-inch pan. Make sure to line your pan with parchment paper or foil, leaving an overhang for easy removal later. This preparation is key for a smooth process. Now let's get melting. Combine your 2 cups of chocolate chips, the entire 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 2 tablespoons of butter in your large microwave-safe bowl. Place the bowl in the microwave and heat on high for 1 minute. After 1 minute, remove the bowl and stir the mixture thoroughly. Return it to the microwave and continue heating in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each, until the fudge is completely smooth and melted. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes total. Once your fudge mixture is perfectly smooth, it's time to add some personality. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a classic flavor, or get creative with other additions like chopped nuts, dried fruit, or a pinch of sea salt. Work quickly, as the fudge will start to set. Immediately pour the warm, delicious mixture into your prepared 9 by 9-inch pan. Use a spatula to spread it evenly, ensuring a consistent thickness across the entire surface. Almost there. Place your pan of fudge into the refrigerator and chill for at least 2 hours, or until it is completely firm to the touch. Patience is a virtue here, as proper chilling ensures perfect slices. Once firm, use the parchment paper overhang to easily lift the entire block of fudge from the pan. Place it on a cutting board and cut it into delightful 1-inch squares. Serve your homemade microwave fudge at room temperature and enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.